Did you know India is the third largest market for biotechnology in Asia and one of the top 12 in the world? What's up people? This is 50 reasons to stay in India. एक डेली सीरीज जहां मैं 50 दिन हर रोज आपको एक रीजन दूंगा इंडिया में रहने का एंड आज हम बात कर रहे हैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में. सो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एक्चुअली होता क्या है? Imagine that you have a box of Lego bricks and every brick represents a tiny piece of life. A biotechnologist is like a master Lego builder who uses all of these small parts to build some really cool stuff. Basically, they use living organisms, cells, and biological systems to develop and create products and technologies like medicines, hybrid plants, and even clones. Biotechnology is a vast field with multiple aspects like genetics, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and many others. India is currently riding a crest of entrepreneurial success and innovation in biotechnology. In fact, 8 सालों में इंडिया की बायो इकोनॉमी has grown from 10 billion to 80 billion dollars. In fact, इंडिया की बायो इकोनॉमी generated approximately 219 million dollars on a daily basis. Additionally, there were more than 1,128 bio startups registered in India in 2021. And the investment in India's bioeconomy grew to 4,200 crores in 2022 from 10 crores in 2014. To enter into the biotechnology field in India, all you need is a bachelor's degree in biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, etc. And you can also pursue trainings and certifications in courses like genetic engineering, bioinformatics, etc. And a master's degree will always help you to boost your career prospect. India is home to some crazy biotechnology stalwarts like Dr. Swaminathan, who is the chief scientist at WHO and also led the mission to combat COVID-19. We also have Dr. Swaroop, an Indian geneticist. This makes India the perfect market for you to start your biotechnology career from. This was reason 21 for you to stay in India. तो क्या करेंगे आप? इंडिया से दौड़ोगे या इंडिया को दौड़ाओगे?